This is where I get concerned. You can see these cells developing, these supercellular thunderstorms developing across the area. You can tell they are very intense according to the modeling. So we're definitely looking at a very ugly situation.
This is a very favorable environment for severe storms, and it's definitely a concerning trend, especially with how large our area of instability is.
From all this flooding and raining we've been getting, how many waterfalls are out there? But it is full of waterfalls, and it's gorgeous. Really pretty out here. Just got to be really, really careful to not get in a spot to where the water's too deep, because it is flowing very, very fast. Well, hey, partners, how y'all doing? Man, we have got some torrential rainfall. It is April 5th, and we've gotten days and days of big time rain here. Huge thunderstorms. So I told Lisa, I said, let's go out. We're not going trail riding because it's to the point to where it's dangerous to do anything like that. So we are out here. We are at the Fort Douglas Bridge, as you can see behind me. I just wanted to show you guys what Big Piney looks like. Big Piney Creek, what it looks like at like beyond flood stage. Like, that's water you don't want to mess with. I mean, it's carrying trees and everything else along with it. Completely went out of the banks on that side. On this side, it's way outside of the banks. And you guys all know where this Fort Douglas Bridge is. I mean, that water is just, look at it's just boiling. Man, I've never seen it that big before. That's the trail that goes out to Car Wash Falls. That goes to Car Wash Falls. We're gonna go down there and check things out, but we're not gonna cross Hurricane Creek because I'm pretty sure it looks pretty bad too. But, man, look at those logs. Those logs are just floating down Big Piney like they're toothpicks. Here comes another one. Floating right down the middle. We made it down here to Hurricane Creek, and for those of you that have been to Hurricane Creek before, you know that at the very corner of the road in Hurricane Creek, there's like 2 or 3 rigs that can fit in that camping spot. Man, Hurricane Creek is looking very mean. Let me swing you guys around and show you. There's a campsite right here, right before you get to Hurricane Creek and overlooking Hurricane Creek. It looks really, really mean. This is some serious floodwaters. We're still looking at water today, and we keep seeing all these low water crossings, and boy, they are all washed out or completely impassable. So we just hit another one. This is also Big Piney Creek. It's just a more northern part of it, and me and Lisa said, well, we'll just try to see if we can skirt Big Piney, cross it somewhere, but you know, like I said earlier, there ain't no crossing this stuff. So we're gonna do the right thing as always and turn around, don't drown. But man, you can just see Big Piney, even here up on the northern end of it. It is, man, it is ferocious. We made it up here to Boxley Valley, and we're in Ponca. So I wanted to show you guys what the Buffalo River looks like. It as well is very impressive and mean. So now that we've checked out the Buffalo River here in Ponca, we're gonna go on our way out of here, see if we can spot us some of those Rocky Mountain elk that Boxley Valley is known for. We're gonna find us some elk, partner. One really cool thing about living here in the Ozarks is that we pass through this area called Boxley Valley quite often. And every once in a while we get treated with some elk. These elk are some really majestic creatures. They're so beautiful. And they come out here and they graze in the valley and the pastures. And every once in a while we get to check them out. So you guys are in for a treat today, because not every day you get to see them. Rocky Mountain elk in the Ozark National Forest.
Well, hey guys, it's the end of the day, and one of our big things that we usually do is milkshakes at the Ozark Cafe. Come get it. Oh, it's so awesome. Look at this Jeep. Best way to end the day, Ozark Cafe. And one of their great milkshakes.
So I'm sure you guys have noticed we were driving a 2023 Jeep Gladiator in this video, and yes, we just purchased this Jeep Gladiator. Unfortunately, we did wreck our Jeep Wrangler in January during our snowpocalypse. We ran off the road, hit some trees. I didn't think the damage was that bad, but going back and forth with the insurance company, they decided to total the Jeep. You know, I'm really sad that we're losing this Jeep. I feel really bad that I wrecked this Jeep. I feel like it didn't deserve me to wreck it, because it was a really good Jeep. We had a lot of memories in this Jeep. It protected us. It kept us safe. We went to Colorado in it. We had a lot of good memories in this Jeep. It taught me what I needed to know to get into overlanding. So we're really sad to see this Jeep go. But we know that in the future, life goes on, and we're gonna make new memories in our new Jeep. Well, hey, if you folks liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I sure appreciate it. Leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We sure love overlanding, and we hope you guys enjoy it too. We hope to see y'all on the trail. Y'all stay safe out there, partners.